Hello guys, welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery on a Friday. And today I'm happy. You know what, you remember some time ago I once fixed some gadget from the old man from the village. Today he came back with something new. He said all those what you fixed long back, everything is working fine, but can you fix this TV for me? You see, yeah, that's what we find in Zimbabwe. That's a TV. Don't be afraid of these sellotape things. This is the, you can see, this is the TV. These are some kind of 12, how many inch? I'm sure they are 20 something, 21 inch TV. This is a small, some kind of small TV. So he explained, he liked telling me stories. So he came, he sit down, you know, this radio I was given by my daughter 4 years ago. I was using it, and there was no issues. The remote died. I'm using some buttons to turn it on, turn it off. So the problem now, the TV is no longer turning on. I can't turn it on anymore. And I'm not using AC, obviously using DC, some kind of batteries, and they bring also, these are the cables. That's my old man from the village. So let's check the cable. Let's try to help him again, you know. Our multimeter is still on continuity. We want to check the red peg is, that's the minus. Okay. So this one with red, that's the minus, and this one, the other one with black, that's the plus. That's how these cables they are. So what I would do, adjust my power supply to 12 volts. You can see on the screen we have 12 volts. Just 1 second. So you can see my DC power supply is on 12 volts, 12.30. Let's lower the current to 2 amps. 1 point, good, and voltage 12 volts, something like that. So what I would do, the red, that's the minus, and the black, that's our plus. So I'll put this here, and we have 12 volts. So can you plug in here and see together what this TV is doing exactly? Because in order to fix, we have to know. Let's take this metal, this glass thing. I wish I had another TV. Maybe I was going to give my old man because he loved me so much. So how can I do it? Here, you see here, we have red light here. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. 1 second. Hello? Did it right? That's crazy. The admin just phoned me now. He said, I'm coming tomorrow morning, kindly fix this if you can. So we only have one option here. Here at the back we do have some switches. The first switch is for the power on. Pressing with nothing. Okay, but I can't feel the clicking of the switch, but we'll see. So the TV is just stuck on standby. That's the thing. So let's adjust this webcam. Let's disconnect here. So what can we do here? Let me take down check out the screen, and we'll come back with the frame for testing some voltages there. Okay, so I just took out the screen. That's the engine for the TV, and if we check here we still have the red light, and our switch is the first one from the top. Pressing nothing, and we still have the red light. So what I will do, I'll start by checking some voltage. What do we have on this regulator? 0, 0, 0. Okay. What about on this coil? 3.3 volts is on the last pin of the BIOS chip. 3.37, that means on the processor we also have voltage on this coil. 1.1. Okay, 12 volts. So everything looks fine here, but I have too much suspicious about this, you know. Let's check out this panel for the switch, because I'm sure something is not right here. Let's test those buttons. Here, the first one is clicking, 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 clicking. This one is not clicking. We have like two buttons which are not clicking here. the one for channel plus and the power on button. So I'm sure if we check, we do have voltage there on the switch. What I can check, together. What voltage do we have here? 0. Like 1.7. Let me press 3.37. You can see on the switch pressing, it's not going to 0. So this clearly, our switch is dead. I'm sure that's the problem here. Let me look for the switch and we'll come back and replace that switch. Okay, so I found this board. Let's disconnect power a little bit. We need to replace 2 switches here. Let's see how hard it can be. Let's take down 2 switches. That's good. Let's check out those 4 switches. The first one for the power and the third one. So hopefully that is our problem. These are simple jobs. We don't need to take too much time here. Don't need to take too much time. I'm sure that is only the problem. Just a faulty switch. Let's see if I'm right or not. Let's soldering wire on all 4 pins. 2 pins are plus, 2 pins are minus. So the condition to start the motherboard is to bring that 3.3 to ground. That's how switch is working on any device, just to bring the voltage on the plus to ground. We now have, you can hear it's clicking. We now have a good switch. So all what is left is to test. That's all what is left here. I'll put this on its position. Let's put everything on its position and try to put everything back together for testing, you know. Let's come up with the screen. Let's put the screen, backlights, connectors. Okay, 1 second. Everything is fine. Let's plug the cable for the power. Let me adjust my webcam so that you see better. Good. So I've not yet put screens, the screws, but I just want to test. Obviously I can put here. We have the red light here. Let's try to press the power. Press, you see it's now blue. Wait. Check on the screen. No channel. Need to scan for channel. So everything is working fine here. So again, I'm sure my old man will be happy tomorrow. It's fixed. So that was just a switch, stuck switch. Okay. So I'll stop this video now. Obviously I'll put all the screws together and mount the TV back. But the issue is our TV is now working, and you can see on the power supply the amperage just jumped to 1.5 amps. It's taking 1.5 amps and it's still on. You see volume, all the buttons they are working. Let's turn it off, on one more time. Standby light is now changing from red to blue, and it's working fine, you see. So that's the thing. So I'll stop this video now. Everything is working. You can see the writing here. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. See you on the next job. Okay, bye.